Hi everyone, Amy Love here, and welcome back to Snippets of Love. And this is our next installment of Hashtag Inspired Challenge 2026 that I am collaborating with my friend Julie from Paper Play with Julie K. And I will have a link to Julie's channel below. And this month was Julie's pick. And Julie picked an altered time card, and she was inspired by the video on the Shabby Dollhouse's channel. So I will link her video below that inspired Julie to choose this craft. And you know what? I don't know if I've ever actually done an altered time card before. And luckily, I happened to find some at one of Craft Supplies for You's live sales on YouTube. She had some time cards, so I picked some up for this project. So on the inspiration video, she does an absolutely beautiful job. Her time card turned out amazing. And so I liked how she was playing with, you know, her mixed media supplies. So I got out my mixed media supplies, and what I found is you really can't tell it's a time card. After I'm done, you can't. I could have just folded up some cardstock and probably done the same thing. Even though I tried to leave some spots where you would see that it was a time card, friend, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. So, and I cut them down or folded them over because I like to make smaller journals. I don't like full-size journals. That's just so much. I like a little handheld journal. So I made them smaller. So I started out with a time card, and I left the back where you could see it because honestly, probably the way I'm going to use it, you're not going to see the back anyway. I'm going to attach that and flip it. But I used, I got my gesso out. I gessoed the thing. I got out a bunch of different papers so you can see, like, I don't like how blank that is. I really want to put something there, but I was like, they could journal. Somebody could journal on these sections. So I collaged and collaged, which it was fun to get out my collage bits, I have to say. And some vintage lace. And then I used one of my snippets right here, one of my snippet strips, and a little flower that I got from my friend Julie. And then a bulb pen with a little pearl charm. So that'll probably either go in a pocket or I'll put it down on a page and it'll just be a spot to journal. Cute. So that's the one that you can still tell it's a time card. But that was really hard for me to do. On this one, you're not going to know unless you flip it over. I made a pocket. So I gessoed the thing, I stenciled the thing, and then I collaged it to death, and you can no longer see what it is. But it was really fun to just collage with papers and fabrics, and I used some of those tea bags that I made on another collaboration video with Julie, and they worked great for collaging, just like I thought they would. I think it's really pretty. So this just has a bunch of collaged bits on there, and then one of my handmade flowers on top of a little doily. And I did sew it, so it's a sewn pocket, and I collaged over the top here. So that can just go right onto a page, or it can slip into a pocket, and then you could journal on the back too, which that's probably what I'll do because it's nice to have places to write. So cute. So these were really fun to collage. I was very excited that Julie wanted to alter time cards because, like I said, a lot of these collaborations we're doing are things that I've not done before, but that I've wanted to do. So it's really nice to kind of get a nudge in that direction. So thank you, Julie. I really did enjoy this project. So on this time card, you can see it says weekly time card. I like that it had these holes already in it because I figure I'll just put it in the journal that way, and this will just kind of be a flip, right? So I collaged on the front. I used this snippet with the buttons on it that I created for my collaboration with Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and I turned it into a hidden paper clip. So this comes on and off. It's a paper clip. And then I put this gorgeous trim. I just love that trim on there on top of the collaged bits. and then it flips open, and here's the other side of that paper clip, and then all the other collaged bits. Here's some more of that tea bag from our other collaboration video. So very vintage looking, right? Very cool. And then on the back is some more collaging. So those were my takes on the altered time card. Not that you can really tell what it is anymore, but it was still fun, and they're still pretty. And I'm excited to go over and see Julie's take on the altered time card. So be sure you go over and check out and see what she's done. And I would love you to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about these. Do you guys do altered time cards? I did think it was fun, so I hope you give it a try. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and a comment, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.